Hello, everybody. So, on this edition of Your Nutrition 90 Seconds, we're going to talk about consistency being your key for weight loss. So, I know you've heard of the word being consistent. You have to be consistent. What is consistency? Consistency deals with creating like a certain pattern of behavior. You're doing something, the same thing you're doing, you're creating like a pattern of behavior, something that you really don't change, but you're being consistent for it. So, let's say you decided you're going to walk at 5 a.m. every day, right? You're consistent. You do it the same time each day, pretty much, and you create a good habit and behavior. Why is that important when it comes down to weight loss? It has everything to do with you as it relates to your health and your weight loss. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. So think about this. This is a little example. Let's just say you have a business, right? You have a business and your business is doing well. You had a good week. You're doing well. And then you had a week that it wasn't as good. Your sales wasn't up like you like it. What would you do? Would you quit your business? Would you stop because of a low week or a low day? You'll probably say, no, you're going to keep going. So that's what it means when it comes down to being consistent. You may have a few bumps in the road. You may have some things that may happen, like kind of maybe deter you a little bit, but you keep going. You build that momentum. So when you do have consistency, it builds momentum. It helps you stay, it builds the momentum to keep going. So my motto is small steps equals big change. Taking those consistent small steps each week, each day, each month is going to eventually lead to what you want it to be. That result you want. Maybe it's weight loss, healthier eating, cooking more, whatever that is. What steps can you take? Be realistic though. So a lot of times you unrealistic with your goals and you say, I want to lose 50 pounds. That's good. You ain't doing nothing. What small steps can you do? Maybe you have to do maybe 1.5 pounds a week. That may sound like, 5 pounds a month. Okay, I want to lose. Okay, that's a small goal. But if you meet that goal, it builds momentum to lead to your end result. So don't be doing anything unrealistic, trying to do something real quick just because you want to say you have a goal, but be realistic with yourself and what you're willing to work toward. So consistency is key. So it develops a routine. You have a routine. They say anything you do 21 days become a habit. So if you develop that routine, it becomes a habit, and you'll start seeing results. So you want to be consistent is key because you can stop, you can go, you don't see the results, then you stop. Okay, I give up. No, we don't want to do that this year. Everybody's talking about doing this. I want to have this. I want to do this beginning of the year. That sounds good, but there will be work involved. So I always just encourage you today to be consistent, create a pattern, create a good behavior pattern for yourself, and so you can have a healthier lifestyle. Because remember, small steps equals big change. Whatever steps you want to take, you can take to lead to your end result. Don't forget to check out www.stepsforchange.net. I also have my recipe book on there for healthy meals that you can check out as well. And until next time, see ya.